Alright guys, I have to quickly run back to ChatGPT to pick my write-up, okay? So as for educational purposes, I'm going to use this one, alright? I'm going to use number 4. So I just take the first write-up like this, okay? And then go work with it, okay? Follow me as we do that. So I'm going to pick my text, okay? Go to plus, and then, let's go out of it. Go to text. Under text, let's take a heading. All right, on heading, let's take what drop the right up, okay? And then I'm just going to take comfort first of all, okay? I'm going to remove the other part from it. I'm just going to remove this part and focus on comfort first. All right, just tap it. Okay, sometimes like I told you, there is network issue here, right? So I just have to manage, okay? Or I just type comfort now. Okay, I'll go to my bit format, text format, and take all bold, okay, all bold stuff like that. And then I'm going to use Anton as well. I'm just going to use Anton as my text, as my font as it is. Okay, give it time, guys. I'm seriously angry with this network stuff, all right? But there's nothing we can do. We just have to skate through. Okay, let's be patient with it. Okay, hold on, just wait for me. All right guys, I want to show you something. Now if you observe, okay, I separated the write-up, okay, and I have to use the same font, but I separated, okay? So I'm going to turn that color, this other one color, to something different from the one on white, okay? So I use one part white, and then I'm going to change this color to something else. So let's pick something that, okay, of course you can see that color, okay, that match that what I'm looking for, okay? So I think that is cool. Comfort meet fashion. So I'm going to go to plus, I'm going to go to element, and then on element I'm going to look for a shape. Okay, let's look for this. Let's use this shape, this square shape now, right? Okay, so this square shape, I'm going to turn it to a line. I'm going to just make it like a line, not too thick, just spread it out a bit, and then I'm going to bring it somewhere here. Okay, I'm going to bring it somewhere this way. Now there's not one particular way to design, okay? You can just decide to design whatever you feel like designing, okay? Just look for a way to design it as a spirit directs you, okay? There's no one particular. We can come back here and do something very nice, okay? Follow me, let me complete with the write-ups, okay? Then I'm going to come back to you. All right, now let me quickly show you something. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at what I'm going to do. This stuff here, I think I should just change part of the write-up, okay, to something else. All right, look at what I'm going to do. Experience unparalleled comfort, right? So I'm going to duplicate that and write comfort under that. Okay, I just duplicated that part now, and here I'm going to write comfort. All right, unparalleled comfort. Okay, yeah, comfort, and then I'm going to change that to white. Okay, I'm just going to change this to white. Yes, change the color to white. Okay, that is it. Okay, just do that so that the color will not just going to be the same all through, right? Experience unparalleled comfort, stuff like that. Then these 3 dots that are here, I'm just going to remove them. All right, remove these 3 dots from here, and then here I'm just going to put them here on the comfort part. All right, I'm just going to keep them here. Yeah, 3 dots, stuff like that. All right, okay, experience of parallel comfort. Then now see, I'm teaching, right? You can come back here like I told you as usual. Come back here and do what you know how to do best. Okay, just make sure you are giving it the very best you can. Okay, all right. Then I'm going to say here, I'm going to go back to my circle. I'm going to use this shape, this circle shape now. All right, I'll place it somewhere on top. Okay, somewhere on top like this. Maybe somewhere here, whatever position you want to place it, okay, you are good to go. Just place it somewhere like this, and then you're going to go to text, go to your text, and then let's use add a little bit of body text, and then here we're going to write order now. Okay, just type order now. Okay, order now. Okay, yeah, very good. So that order now, we place it on top of this. Okay, stuff like that. Okay, we just place it there and make it, go to your B format, go to format and format it as order now, make it bold, and then you can decide to also make everything capitalized if you want to. All right, I think that is cool. If it's not sharp enough, you can decide to work on the background. Instead of using this, you can use something else. All right, but I think that is cool. It's not bad. I think it's okay. Now if that stuff is too low, you can actually, hey guys, let's stress this out a bit. I want to show you something. Stress this out. Okay, very good. Stress it out, and then let's go to here. come over here, go to effect. Okay, go to effect and then look for shape. Look for shape, click on shape, and then you can see curve. All right, click on curve. I can see that. Then click on it again and then stretch it out a bit, just a little, like that. Very good. And then position it very well on top of that. Okay, you can do whatever you want, feel like doing. Okay, I think, but for me, I think that is cool. All right, order now, stuff like that. Okay, so follow me.